Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you how to print the area of a circle using the radius. So we all know area of a circle's formula, that is pi r square. So we all know pi value is 3.14 into r square means into r, okay. This is the formula you all know from mathematics. You all know this is a very famous formula. We all know this formula very well. So what should we do? First we need to input the radius. Okay, we should input the radius, right? And radius should be our float value because the pi value is 3.14. It should be our float value. So float input, enter the radius. Okay, done. We have input the radius. Now just simple area equals to pi r square 3.14 into radius Now just print area of the circle, just write here area, right? Area of a circle. I made a mistake here. Okay, print area of a circle. That's it. Okay, print area of a circle, area of the circle, comma area. Okay, that's it. We have done. Oh, I made a mistake here, right? I didn't use the inverted commas here. Now I have to enter the radius. Suppose I give 2 radius. See, 12.56 is the answer. You can do this in another way. Let me show you that way also. You can do here in Python. There is a math function. You can import that math function. How can you import? Let's write import math. That's it. Import math. And instead of writing 3.14 here, you can write here math dot py. Okay, by using the import math function, you can write here math dot py. Now again let's show you the output. Again I am taking 2. See that now the answer is exact value it is giving. If you are using 3.14, then 2 decimal like maths. Now here see, exact value is coming. So these are the 2 ways you can do. You can import the math function, or you can just simply do like in other programs you do in Java, in C also you do like this only 3.14, but in Python you can import the math function. Okay, by this we end this video. If you have any queries, just comment. I will obviously reply. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.